Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy fix for a PS2 Slim that has a broken lid. So maybe if you had your PlayStation for a few years, or if you found one at a thrift store or a pawn shop, you might come across this problem where you open the lid, but then you go back to close it, and it don't want to stay down, or it has trouble staying down, because this button is staying in, and it don't come back out when you close it, so it won't snap. Right, like this. So sometimes you have to like press hard or whatever to get it to stay. So I'm gonna show you a very simple way without having to remove the top lid to unscrew it that you could fix it. So all you need, guys, is some rubbing alcohol and a Q-tip. And what we're gonna do is put a little generous amount on the end of the Q-tip. You want to kind of soak it. All right. So once you do that, guys, all we're gonna do is just go around that eject button, and we're gonna let that alcohol kind of drip in the sides of the button and kind of just press on it a little bit. Just go around it, that eject button. And if you want, you could also kind of clean it if it's dirty. You could just finish cleaning it. But the key here, guys, is just to go around that eject button, and then we're gonna just go ahead and press down on it a few times and go close it again. Just keep pressing and closing, kind of let the alcohol get in, and then you just go ahead and you just do it again. You want to just soak it again. Alright, just go around that button again, kind of get in the sides, make sure it kind of gets in there, kind of press the button again a few times. You can also do it while it's open. Alright. And then what this is doing, guys, it's going to break up that gunk or whatever that's in there that's stopping it from coming back out after you press it. The alcohol usually just breaks it apart. And then look, guys, we're doing it. It's closing, snapping back each time. So it's working. Very simple and easy fix for that problem, guys. I saw people were searching for an answer for that, and I know other videos that show you having to take the top off the case. And if you don't feel like doing none of that and you just want to do it really quick and easy, I do recommend doing this. That's it, guys. A simple and easy fix for this problem. If this video helped you out, please be sure to give me a like. Also, leave in the comments below to let me know that it did help you out. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.